Hi, welcome to the next video in the series of videos on MCP. And in this video, we are going to go deeper into building our own MCP-based SaaS application. So this is the pivotal video where we are going to understand how the communication is going to happen. So let's understand this picture well. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. Okay, so I have redrawn this picture again. Now, this is an MCP-based agentic framework. Essentially, what it means that this agent uses MCP-based tools. Okay, so we all know that agent, we can attach tools, and these tools can be local RAG resources. It can be local tools to access any third party or any database or any other side of the application. We have seen in our previous videos how we can add a local booking system so that the booking reference number can be given to the chatbot visitors. So this is the local tool which is tied tightly to the agent. So then comes MCP. In case of MCP, these clients sit along with the agent, but the agent to server communication or agent to tool communication happens through the client. See, the advantage is these tools can remotely reside. Just adding a thin client to the agent, you can have powerful tool sitting somewhere else. So if I am building a proprietary tool and I only want the tool to be accessed by certain paid clients, I can host these tools on my server under my domain and give access to my MCP server so that these clients can access. Clear? But the problem is, how do we communicate? All the videos that you will find online are all based on STDIO protocol. STDIO protocol means the MCP server also must sit along with the agent, just like a local tool. So the advantages offered by MCP, which allows us to host our server remotely, is lost. You won't find any practical running example of an SSE server and an SSE client anywhere. Okay, so this will be one of the first videos showing you how you can run your own SSE protocol-based or SSE transport-based MCP server, which can be accessed by an MCP client. Hi, welcome to another video on MCP, Model Context Protocol. And in this video, we'll see how we can run a Python-based MCP server using SSE transport and access it using the monitor tool. Okay, so in order to run, I have created a Docker Compose which can easily launch the server without us needing to install any local Python dependencies. Okay, so what we need to do is, this is the name of the server that uses SSE transport. This is a simple tool from Python SDK itself. Okay, so Docker Compose up SSE-server-py. That will launch the SSE server, and this listens to port 3001. We saw in the previous video how we can connect to this using an MCP client that also uses SSE transport. So in this video, we will launch the inspector and connect to our SSE MCP server. Okay, so we started the inspector. Okay, so our MCP server runs on port 3001. Let's connect it. Connected. See, inspector acts as an MCP client and it uses SSE transport to talk to our MCP server. Okay, so let's list tools. You will see the fetch tool. See this? And URL to fetch. Let's give it our company URL. And let's run the tool. Tool result. See here, the website has been fetched. Okay, so that is the idea. So this is a quick demo of learning different ways of running the MCP servers and accessing it through different clients. So what are the 3 clients we saw so far? Cloud Desktop. Now there is this inspector tool, and previous video we saw how we can connect using an MCP client application. So that is it for this very short video. Subsequent videos will begin applying these knowledge in building a real-world SaaS application using MCP. So thank you for your time. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. See you in another video. Bye-bye.